Living in the UK or USA in 2026 is getting expensive. From rent to groceries, prices are skyrocketing. But what if I told you that you could save an extra $500 to $1,000 every single month without changing your job? Today, I'm sharing 7 extreme money-saving hacks that most people are too embarrassed to try bate work. Welcome back to Rizu Finance. If you want to master your money, you're in the right place. Let's get into hack number 1. Most of us are bleeding money through subscriptions we don't even use. Use apps like Rocket Money or just check your bank statement. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. That's an instant $50 back in your pocket. Never shop without cashback. In the UK, use TopCashback or Quidco. In the USA, use Rakuten. It's literally free money for things you were going to buy anyway. Before buying anything online, wait 48 hours. If you still want it after 2 days, buy it. 90% of the time, that impulse will fade, and your bank account will thank you. In the UK, energy bills are a nightmare. Simple things like using smart plugs or turning down your thermostat by just 1 degree can save you hundreds. Over the year, saving money is the first step to becoming wealthy. Which of these will you try first? Comment below, and if you want to grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button. I'm Rizu, and I'll see you in the next one.